Welcome to Solo Storytime. Today we're going to be reading a book called If My Mom Were a Bird by Jedda Robaard. I hope you enjoyed this book. Now let's get ready for story time. If My Mom Were a Bird. If my mom were a bird, she would be tall and graceful. What type of a bird do you think is tall and graceful? Let's find out. A swan. If my mom were a bird, she would be a funny, sneaky. What kind of birds are funny and sneaky? A parrot. Oh, they're pretty. How many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parrots. If my mom were a bird, she would surely be a watchful hawk. That's because they have great eyes and can see anything. If my mom were a bird, she would be a busy, energetic. What type of bird is busy and energetic? A woodpecker. If my mom were a bird, she would be a squawky, noisy. What is squawky and noisy? Let's find out. A canary. Look at them all. It's because canaries like to sing. If my mom were a bird, she would be a super speedy ostrich. Look at, because ostriches can run fast. If my mom were a bird, she would be a curious. What kind of bird is curious? Blue jay. If my mom were a bird, she would be a happy chicken because she's always warm and cuddly. The end.